Jesus left there and went to his hometown accompanied by his disciples. When the Sabbath came, he began to teach in the synagogue, and many who heard him were amazed.
Where did this man get these things?
They asked,
What's this wisdom that has been given him? What are these remarkable miracles he is performing?
Isn't this the carpenter? Isn't this Mary's son? And the brother of James, Joseph, Judas, and Simon? Aren't his sisters here with us?
and they took offense at him. Jesus said to them,
Only in their own towns, among their relatives, and in their own homes are prophets without honor.
He could not do any miracles there except lay his hands on a few sick people and heal them. He was amazed at their lack of faith. Then Jesus went around teaching from village to village.